Welcome to Blue's Garden, my July tour. Here's a shot overhead from upstairs. You can see the whole garden. Planted, labeled May 23rd. First up is 3 Space Master 80 cucumber, 2 of the dark green zucchini, 2 yellow squash, and 2 straight 8 cucumbers. Next up, a couple of eggplant in the corner, and 3 spaghetti squash, and then 2 butternut squash. Next is the larger tomatoes. I have 2 ananas noir tomato, 3 brandywine white, 3 brandywine black, 4 black seaman tomato, 2 mushroom basket, 4 Cherokee purple tomato, a giant crimson tomato, a couple of grow bags of carrots, some carrot and peas growing, and then next up is my cherry tomato side. I got 1 tigerella, a couple of black cherry tomatoes, 3 white cherry, those are our family favorite, a couple of yellow pear, also a favorite, 2 blueberry and 2 Ukrainian plum, and 2 Roma tomato. Next is some onion. I got a Pompeii white, a Utah yellow, red Weathersfield. I've got red beard bunching and chives growing. And then peppers. I've got 2 coral bell and 2 lemon drop IAG, 2 sweet banana, 2 California golden. Then I have some lettuce, second and third plantings. We've already eaten the first planting. I just dropped seed for some more lettuce. The raspberry bush is now a week solid of about a bowl a day I've been bringing in. If we don't eat it, the next day I just put it in the freezer. I'll make jam later. The zucchini are coming along, probably another few days. Sweet banana pepper will be ready in a week. Bell pepper, probably another 2 weeks. And I can't harvest my potato because there seems to be some bunnies growing. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips.